Are you wondering how to make your home irresistible to potential buyers without breaking the bank? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'll be sharing some effective home staging strategies that you can do on the cheap. Now let's uncover the secrets to successful home staging. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha Hamilton, your trusted real estate agent with eXp Realty here in Simcoe County, Ontario. And today we're diving into the world of home staging, a crucial step in preparing your home for sale. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest homes in Simcoe County, feel free to reach out to me. Call, text, email, DM me on your favorite social media platform. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. And remember to hit that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get started with today's exciting topic. Home staging is about showcasing your home in the best light possible to attract potential buyers. It's about creating a welcoming, appealing space that buyers can envision themselves living in, and not just about spending a lot of money. It's about thoughtful, strategic changes that make your home shine. Declutter and personalize. So first things first, declutter and personalize. You want buyers to focus on the space, not your personal belongings. So clear away family photos, keepsakes, excess furniture, and this will help to create a neutral canvas that buyers can personalize in their minds. Enhance curb appeal. So first impressions count. Enhance your curb appeal by tidying up the garden, paint the front door, or even just placing a welcoming mat. Small touches can make a big difference. Create an inviting atmosphere. Inside, aim for an inviting atmosphere. This can be achieved through lighting, so make sure your home is well lit. Use soft, warm lights and open curtains to let natural light in. A well-lit home feels more spacious and welcoming. Highlight key areas. Focus on key areas like the living room, kitchen, and master bedroom. In the kitchen, clear countertops and add a bowl of fresh fruit. In the bedroom, make sure the bed is neatly made with appealing linens. These small details can make rooms more attractive. Neutralize and modernize. So consider neutralizing bold wall colors. Neutral tones appeal to a wider audience and make spaces appear larger. Also, update any outdated fixtures and hardware. That gives a modern touch without extensive renovations. Accessorize wisely. Accessorizing is important, but keep it minimal. Use things like vases, candles, and artwork to add character, but don't overdo it. The goal is to enhance the space and not overwhelm it. Showcase functional spaces. So if you have any unique features like a home theater, gym, or a cozy reading nook, showcase these spaces. In today's market, functional spaces are a big selling point, especially if you want to get top dollar. Cleanliness. Last but not least, ensure your home is spotless. A clean home gives the impression of a well-maintained property. Pay special attention to bathrooms and kitchens, as these areas are crucial for buyers. Remember, effective home staging is about creating a welcoming space that appeals to a wide range of buyers. It's not about spending a lot of money, it's about thoughtful, strategic changes that make your home shine. If you're looking to sell your home in Barrie or Simcoe County and need more personalized advice, I'm here to help. Reach out however you prefer. Call, text, email, DM me on your favorite social media, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.